Hello, this is a quick video to show how to export animated GIF in After Effects. I have made a simple animation. This is the water drop motion graphic. I have downloaded the vector graphic from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I go back to After Effects. To export the animated GIF, we can go to Composition and go to Add to Adobe Media Encoder Query. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M. I click it, and then Adobe Media Encoder open. We can download and install Media Encoder from Creative Cloud. Now we have the render drop here. In the file format, we can click the blue text, and in the export setting, in format, we can choose animated GIF. And then I will keep this setting and click OK. In the output file, we can choose the location. I keep it in this location and then go to start to render the animated GIF. This is how we can export animated GIF in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.